Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are talking about receptacles, not just any. We're talking about ones that have charging built into them. This one is made by Eaton, and it is extremely easy to install. Matter of fact, speaking of install, one thing you need to keep in mind is these have bigger bodies on them. So you need to pack your wire and your wire nuts and things further back into the box or have a good deep box. It actually helps a little bit. But you're going to have several configurations with these. You're going to have the power at the top and the bottom of these, and then in the center, you generally are going to find your charging devices. This one I have a Type C and a Type A. You can get them with two Type A's. You can get them with two Type C's. So depending on what you use the most and what you really want, you can buy it in that type of a configuration. They look really great. Plates go on easy. They adjust easy. So if you're looking for a really nice charging type plug, you're not going to go wrong with the Eaton brand. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one, two, or three today, and we will see you guys on the next review.